In a world filled with noise, my motivational talks cuts right through the clutter, gets right to the point. You see, folks, I deliver more than just words. I ignite people. I inspire people. I provoke thought. But more importantly, I drive action. With every word I speak, I aim to empower people, to uplift them, to transform their lives. So the question is, are you ready to be inspired? My name is Milton Hunt. Over my 30 plus years, I've been called an edutainer, a motivator, an energizer. So reach out today and let's talk about how to make your next event memorable and meaningful. Also today, you can go out and visit my YouTube channel where you can see more of me in action. And finally, this is what I really would recommend. Go out to my LinkedIn profile and take a look at those 100 plus people and see what they have said. Folks, I look forward to hearing from you.
Are you ready to unlock the untapped potential within your organization? Reach out to Milton Hunt today to create a space where every voice is heard, every idea is valued, and every individual thrives.